Okay, so this says find the domain of this as a function, and the function's a root. It's a square root, it's an even root, so the radicand, which is 88 minus 3x minus x squared, must be greater than or equal to 0. This is a quadratic inequality, and the technique we're using in class is to factor them. So it's going to be, let's see, 11, 8, x and x. Why I choose 11, because 11 times 8 is 88, and their difference is certainly 3. So what you have here would be minus x plus x there. If you check it, you get 88, you get minus 11 plus 8, which is minus 3, and you do get minus x squared. The number line goes down. On the number line, the zeros you'd list. Minus 11 is one of the zeros, and 8 is the other 0. Right? You should realize that at minus 11, it is equal to 0, and that's one of the questions we have to answer there. And the other one is 8, where it's also equal to 0. If you took a number past 8, I don't know, like 9, for example, and plugged it in, you get positive times a negative, which would be a negative, and that's certainly not greater than 0. If you took a number between minus 11 and 8, like 0, and plugged it in, you get positive times a positive, which is a positive number, and positive numbers are certainly greater than 0. If you took a number below minus 11, I don't know, like minus 15, plugged it in, you get a negative times a positive, which is negative, and negative numbers are not greater than 0. So I found the domain of the problem, and the domain of the problem is x is in this interval. What's the interval going to be? Minus 11 up to 8 inclusive. Again, I recommend that you look at the answer key that we provide for you after you do the problem, not before. You're not trying to aim for that. What you're trying to do is try and do the problem and then see if you get it right. Thank you.